Hi, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this little short sound demo video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this beautiful drum just here. Now this is a horse skin shamanic drum on an 18-inch frame. The frame is made from ash wood. If I turn it over, you can see we have a branch handle. This is a hazelwood branch, and I burnt in a feather design onto that there. It's laced with artificial sinew. I have put, oh sorry, no, it's not ashwood, it's oak wood. I burnt the information on the inside of the frame here. I put horse skin and oak wood. I have put birthed on the 2nd of January 2026 in Knighton Powys, UK. I put the star symbol there for Capricorn and my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So let's have a play. I'm going to start with a soft beater. I'm going to swap over and play with a firmer beater. Both of those available to purchase alongside the drum. Okay, so this is the soft beater. Beautiful, lovely long resonance, and the firmer beater name. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.